darkness into light. Every blow a battle cry. Refuse to bend, refuse to die. Power flows in every vein. Born again through fire and collapse beneath my will. Time itself begins to still. Standing tall against the tide. With the storm I now collide. No